She doesn't wanna hide, she wants to show the world what's in her mind, and it's worth diamonds and gold. She is a beauty inside out, but the mean didn't see this beauty, but she wouldn't lean. She knows exactly what she wants. She is a fighter, doesn't wanna be told what to do in her life. She's not easy to hold, you have to